The feds is watching, niggas plotting to get me. Will I survive, will I die? Come on, let's picture the possibility giving me charges. Lawyers making the threat, told the judge I was raised wrong, and that's why I blame shit. Was hyper as a kid, cold as a teenager. On my mobile calling big shots, on the scene major, packing hundreds in my drawers. Fuck the law, bitches I fuck with a passion. I'm living rough and raw, catching cases at a fast rate, falling in the fast lane. Hustle till the morning, never stop until the cash came. Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player, cause even getting high. These niggas got me tossing shit. I put the top down, now it's time to floss my shit. Keep your head up, nigga, make these motherfuckers up. A game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade. Save money, bring bitches, bitches bring lies. One nigga's getting jealous and motherfuckers die. Depend on me like the first and 15. They might hold me for a second, but these folks won't get me. We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski masks screaming thug like every time they pass. All eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life of a boss player. All eyes on me. I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side rob the night. All eyes on me. Little life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life of a boss player. All eyes on me.
I started this gangsta shit, and it's the motherfucking thanks I get. Hello.
I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side rob the night.
Relax and take notes while I take totes of the marijuana smoke. Throw you in a choke, gun smoke, gun smoke. Biggie Smalls for mayor, the rap slayer, the hooker layer. Motherfucker, say your prayers. Hail Mary, full of grace. Smack the bitch in the face, take her Gucci bag and a North Face off her back. Jab her if she act funny with the money. Oh, you got me mistaken, honey. I don't wanna rape ya, I just want the paper. The visa, capisha, I'm out like the vapors. Who's the one you call Mr. Macho? The head honcho, swiftness like Camacho. I got so much style, I should be down with the stylistics. Make up to break up, niggas need to wake up. Smell the Indonesia, beat you to a seizure. Then fuck your moms, hit the skins to amnesia. She don't remember shit, just the 2 hits. Her hitting the floor, and me hitting the clips. Sucking on the tits, had the hooker begging for the dick. And your moms ain't ugly, love, my dick got rocked quick. I guess I was a combination of House of Pain and Bobby Brown. I was bumping around and jumping around. After then I asked her who's the man, she said B.I.G. Then I bust in her E.Y.E.
I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side rob the night. All eyes on me. Little life is a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life is a boss player. All eyes on me.
I started this gangsta shit, and it's the motherfucking thanks I get. Hello.
I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side rob the night.
I might just hit it through, that's on my element. I like Boston's, love a melanin. Talk, crushing me with talk when I'm stepping there. 30 bottles of the scene till I'm selling it. I had the Lambo, switch to the Bari. I'm a gangster, but I like to party. Pop a turkey, go retarded. I'm a Brooklyn nigga, I'm cold-hearted. That's why I like that girl, like breathing. Every time she see me, she wanna eat me. I saw like this and please believe me. I said bye, I'm on the TV. I can't fuck with broke bitches, they be creepy. She be acting up, she always tryna leave me. But she a bad girl, and she freaky. I have her hanging up the wall like she need me. I never had a bitch more than once cause they be leeches. Well, pussy good, it tastes like peaches. But she can have it, I don't need it. I'd rather have my money green like King. I don't talk to niggas, cause they be capping. Disrespect me, and see what happen. I don't make a call for war, start smacking.
Everyday shit around the way shit got me stressed, so I keep on the vest in case a nigga wanna test. I got no time for games cause I'm all grown up. You wanna joke, nigga? Laugh when you get blown up. And see how funny it is when your kids ain't got no father. Cause you played it sweet, now you floating in the harbor. Shit is hectic, so respect it for your health. Didn't think it was right, you should've checked it yourself. Life is too short to get caught up in some dumb shit. Wake up one day, 40 years old, on some bum shit. Time flew by, you was too fly to see the light. Every day it's getting darker, then comes the night. Now what? Realize that you ain't got shit. Not long ago you was the man on some hot shit. So just keep the flow, yo, cause you already in this. Make sure your shit is right, kid, and handle your business.
I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side rob the night.
Hello. I started this gangsta shit, and it's the motherfucking thanks I get. Hello.
I let them niggas know it's on for life. Don't let the west side rob the night.
Oh yeah, let's take a trip. Just sit back and light a split with this and don't slip on a funky dope track. Jump back, strapped with a fat Buddha sack and a 7-8 black, don't clean. Gangsta lean, I got green, but I serve dubs like it ain't no thing. I hang with OG players, don't set trips, boy, you might get what we call a rat pack. I don't slack when it come to street. I kick real G-funk to a gangsta beat. It's so sweet when you got money to spend. I got a proper big tilt and a fly big fence. I make ends, spend my dough on no foe. That's how it is and that's how it goes. Act like you know when I creep real slow, giving love to them players that I know is real G.
The motherfucking world is a ghetto, full of magazines, full clips and heavy metal. When the smoke settle, I'm just looking for a big yellow. In 6-inch stilettos, Dr. Dre. Hello. Percolating, keep 'em waiting while you sitting there hating. Your bitch is hyperventilating, hoping that we penetrating. You get snating, cause I never been to Satan. But hardcore administrating, gangbang affiliating. MC Winner had you wildin' off a zone and a whole half a gallon. Get the dialing, 911 emergency. And you can tell him, it's my son, he's hurting me. And he's a felon, on parole for robbery. Ain't no copping a plea, ain't no stopping a G. I'm in a 6, you got to hop in a 3. Company monopoly, you handle shit sloppily. I drop a key properly. They call me the Don Dada, pop a collar, drop a dollar. If you hear me, you can holler, even Rockwaller. Follow the Impala, wanna talk about this concrete nigga? I'm a scholar, the incredible, hetero,